There are various ways to install Wine on your system. Almost all the Linux distros come with Wine in their package repository. Most of the time the latest stable version of Wine is available via the package repository. If you are using a 64-bit installation of Ubuntu, you will need to add 32-bit architecture support on your distro, which will benefit you in installing specific software. Execute the following command. Then install Wine by this commands. But in the case of Ubuntu 22.04 LTS, the available package in the repo is Wine version 6.0.3, while the latest stable release is version 7.0.1. In the case of software like Wine, which receives significant updates frequently, always try to remain in the latest stable release. To do this in Ubuntu, first, you need to add the 32-bit architecture using this command. Then download and add the repository key. In the next step, you need to download the Wine source file. For that, you need wget installed. Also, you should know which version of Ubuntu is running on your system. In my case, I was running Ubuntu 22.04 Jammy Jellyfish. To know your version, run this command in a terminal window. Once you get your version name, replace this in place of Jammy and execute the command. Now update the package information. Finally, install the latest stable version of Wine with this command. You can use winecfg or winecfg for development and staging branch respectively. Windows applications need a C drive. Wine uses a virtual C drive for this purpose. The directory of this virtual C drive is called wine prefix. First of all, you need to create a wine prefix. To do that, fire up a terminal and enter this command. Here it prompts you to install the Wine Mono package needed for the .NET application to work properly. You can press the Install button to do this job. This will create a wine prefix and open the configuration window for wine. You can change the configuration options or let it be as it is and close it. Now, you can locate the virtual C drive at this location. Go to Wine Application Database and click Browse Apps from the left sidebar. Click on the link to the application from the search result. You'll see a description of the application. There will be a list of various versions with their compatibility rating with a specific wine version. Here is the meaning of those ratings. First of all, check for 7-zip rating on Wine Application Database. It has a platinum rating, so we are good to go. Open Wine Configuration and set the Windows version to Windows 7. Right-click on the 7-zip installation file and select the Open with Other Application option. Select Wine Windows Program Loader. See that destination folder path? The 7-zip installation has recognized the virtual C drive from Wine Prefix. You can use the 7-zip just as you would use it on Windows, for extracting and creating archives and such. To uninstall an application, you have a Wine Uninstaller tool. You can access this tool by entering this command to the terminal. This will open the Uninstaller window. Here, the list of installed applications will be present. You need to select the application, 7-zip in this case, and press Remove button.